made a copy of the SEL, so this should not affect anyone's. So you're wondering how I linked these to the different slides. So first of all, I'm going to unlink. So I know Monday, if I look here, my Monday is on slide 4. So what I did is, if you notice, I don't get a little link thing up here because it's a text box. So what I have to do is go up to Shape, make a circle, keep it from going over because I have a hyperlink here. So it's white. So when I'm clicked on it, I can come up here to the Fill Color tool and turn it to transparent, and the border color, and make that transparent. And then what I want to do is, as you can see, I'm clicked on it, and you see this up here, Insert Link. I'm going to click on that, and then Slide in Presentation. I'm going to go to slide 4, and I'm going to hit Apply. So if you noticed, when I was choosing it, it said Monday on it. So if you've titled your slide, so like the title was here in the middle and I typed in Monday, it'll show up when you go to click on it. Slide 4, Monday. So all of these are hyperlinked in that same way. Now, you were asking me how. So now, like I said, it should work. But what about going back if you accidentally click on the wrong day? So what I can do is, here I am on Wednesday. I can do one of two things. I can go to Google and search in back buttons, or I can come up to Insert Image, search the web, and it'll pop up right here, and I'll hit back button. I can choose any of these I want. So say I click on this one, it should show up blue here saying one selected. You go hit Insert. And then I can make this the size I want it. And I'll put this down here. So now, if you notice, unlike when I click on a text thing, oh, well, sometimes the text will let you. But in some cases it won't. So now when I click on this picture, because I didn't merge it or anything, when I click on it, up here in the toolbar, Insert Link should appear. So I can hit that. And I'm going to actually move this up so we can see this. Insert, Slides and Presentation, and I can choose to head back to slide 3, because slide 3 is where I choose my days. So I can hit this, go to slide 3, and apply. So, and then I can move this where I need it. So now, if I go into Present, oops, I'm on Wednesday, I need to be on Thursday, I can click back and it'll bring me back here. And that's pretty much, if you want to jump between any slides, you can do that. So all you'd have to do is choose what your icon is, or make your own icon with the Google Drawings, which all you have to do if you want to get to it is go Google Drawing and open one, and you can make your own buttons in here. So the way you do that is, I'm just gonna kind of cover here. Page setup, I'll make it a 4x4. So all I have to do there is go find free font. So you find the one you want. I have one I have a font website that I already used. So come in here, I could do my cursive writing test, say it's for that. After I type it in here, I can adjust the sizes of it depending on what I need. Then I hit copy image, bring it over here, paste. And if I don't want it all at the top, I can just double click it, shrink it, and then hit paste again, double click, crop. And I have that. So if I want these both to be blown up more, all I have to do is hold down, so click on one, so I clicked on test, hold down shift on my keyboard, am I holding down shift, click on the other one, and then holding down shift, and I'll blow them both up at the same time. So I'll put this here, and you can also use these buttons in Canvas as well. So then all I have to do is come here and write test icon. Find one I like. So this one, insert it. If you see these red lines, what it is it's telling me it's centered. So I have that. Now all I have to do is come up here to File and name it what you want. File, Publish to the Web, Publish. Okay. So it gives me a link and an embed code. So if I'm trying to put it in here, I don't really need that, but if you're trying to put this in your Canvas, you're going to need the embed code. So you'd take this and you'd embed it into your Canvas. But if that's not what you need it for, when you come over, you can hit File, Image, Insert Image. You can do it by this, but you can do it by URL. So what that means is when you go to File, Publish to Web, after you publish this right here, your link, you're going to click on that, copy it, come over here, hit Paste. It'll show you and you'll insert it. And I didn't have a white background on mine, even though it looked like it. So that's how that appears. And if you noticed, I can hyperlink that as well. All right. Please let me know if you have any questions.